Welcome back to WealthSphere. If you're looking to start your investing journey in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down the best investment strategies for beginners and pros alike. Let's dive in. First things first. Starting early is key to financial growth. In 2025, even small investments can grow exponentially thanks to compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So, let's make this year the year you take the plunge. Now, what should you invest in this year? 1. Stock market. Even with market fluctuations, long-term investments in blue-chip stocks can offer solid returns. 2. Cryptocurrency. 2025 is an exciting year for crypto with innovative technologies like blockchain continuing to grow. 3. ETFs and index funds. These are perfect for those who want low-cost, diversified investments. Make sure to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. One of the safest strategies for 2025 is dollar-cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, no matter what the market is doing. By doing this, you avoid trying to time the market, which can be risky, and smooth out the effects of market volatility. Sustainability is a hot topic in 2025. Many investors are choosing to put their money into companies that prioritize environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors. Not only can these investments offer solid returns, but they also align your portfolio with your values. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. In 2025, focusing on long-term growth rather than short-term gains is key. Patience will reward you with compounding returns, even in uncertain market times. Keep your goals in mind and stay the course. 2025 is the perfect year to start or level up your investing journey. So, are you ready to take action? Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wealth-building tips. Let's make this year your most successful one yet. Thanks for watching WealthSphere, your guide to smarter investing. See you next time.